welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last vlog from my Malaysia series. Today we are heading from Langkawi to Kuala Lumpur and we'll be exploring some more of Kuala Lumpur. So in this video you can expect some other attractions that we would be covering here. Currently we are at the airport waiting to get boarded in our flight and we're very sleepy because we woke up at 5:30 in the morning. So yeah, just chilling at the airport at the moment and waiting for a flight to come.
1 hour later.
Today's flight delay हो गई है due to bad weather in KL. We are literally sitting at the Langkawi airport and हम सुबह से उठे हुए हैं. We could have come a little late. This will be finally in our flight. Thank God this one came on time and now we are on our way to Kuala Lumpur. I can't wait to explore the rest of the things that we planned and stuff. So let's get going. Into our property here in Kuala Lumpur, and this time around we booked the Star Residence KLCC. We were initially given a separate room, like we had booked another room, but due to some kind of exigency in that room, we've been upgraded to a room and now we have the view of the Petronas Twin Tower, Mega 181, as well as the KL Tower, and this room is really cute and beautiful. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour now. As you enter this room, there's a place to keep your shoes and stuff, and also they've given us some house slippers. Then you have some beautiful pictures over here. Then we've just kept our luggage right here, and then there's a small kitchen unit with a fridge and washing drying machine as well as an oven and everything that you require in a kitchen. And then as you move ahead, there's a small living room area which looks something like this, very pretty. And then from this living room you have the view of the Petronas Twin Towers, that's right there. And then you have a small TV over here. Let's head inside to the bedroom. That is the bedroom, that's my mom and my sister just scouting. And here is the wardrobe area, very spacious, very nice, and two side tables. And then here we have the TV. From the bedroom you can see the KL Tower as well as Merdeka 181, which is right over here, the second tallest building in the world. And now let's go and check out the washroom. It looks something like this. Hello. A shower area, place to do your business, and a very cute and compact washroom. So yeah, this is a pretty good room. Also they told us that they've upgraded us to a suite, so thumbs up on that. Now we're going to quickly get ready and go and have some run and then explore Kuala Lumpur. The mall, we just ate some really good food and I was so satisfied. Shopped for something little too, and now we're just going around here and there and checking out stores. Guys, I completely forgot to tell you where we are. We are at Bukit Bintang, and honestly we love this place. The vibe is just amazing. Just check it out. Currently just shopping around, did some more damage, but honestly today due to the room fiasco we left quite late and we're running short of time, but we had a few things on our agenda which we'll try closing tomorrow morning. But for now we just go back to Bukit Bintang's main square because that place is really beautiful and amazing. It totally gives me Shibuya vibes. So yeah, I'll see you once I reach there. We are walking towards the KLCC center to just catch a glimpse of the Petronas Twin Towers the last time. It lights up. It's currently 11, so we're trying to walk as fast as possible because at 12 the lights shut down and I want to get a picture with the entire tower. Let's go. Look, literally very like sweaty and all, but I'm very excited to be here. Honestly, this view is just beautiful. Some might think this is quite overrated. That's fine if it's overrated. It's really pretty. Now going on to the other side where you can catch a glimpse of the entire tower.
Next morning.
Hey you guys, good morning. It's our last day in Kuala Lumpur and I'm so upset. I just don't want to leave this early. I don't know why. I feel like 7 days have just like gone by like this. And now I'm so sad to be leaving this gorgeous hotel as well as this gorgeous city. But before taking our flight, we still have a few attractions to cover. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to check out from our hotel right now and then we're going to keep our luggage right here and explore a beautiful Chinese temple over here. I'll see you next when I reach there. Bye, this beautiful view. Imagine walking up a grand staircase, each step pulling you closer to a world that feels almost enchanted. Hanhu Temple stands majestically at the top. Its intricate architecture, a testament to ancient Chinese craftsmanship. As you approach the vibrant colors of the temple's roof, catch your eyes. Reds, golds and greens, all gleaming under the sunlight. Dragons curl gracefully along the eaves and lanterns sway gently in the breeze, adding to the temple's mystique. Currently we are at the Tianhu Temple, which is a Chinese Buddhist temple, and you can see it right behind me. It's such a beautiful and picturesque temple. Honestly, I would highly recommend coming here. Right now it's almost 12 and obviously we are all burning. The real charm of this temple is in the evening, and I would highly recommend you all to come in the evening only because the temple also lights up, all the lanterns light up and it looks really beautiful. But this place is so peaceful. Yeah, obviously because of the tourists there is some sort of shore, but apart from that, this place is really beautiful and very peaceful. Hey guys, so we just had lunch at Nando's. My mother has an Ekadashi fast today, so we didn't have really a lot of options. But now we are all set to head to the airport. We're going to collect our luggage from the hotel and then go to the airport and chill there. We have done our check-in, our immigration, everything is over. Now we're heading to our gates. Honestly, very unhappy that the trip is coming to an end. But all good things have to come to an end. With that, we come to an end to this vlog, and you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, comment this emoji in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.